Today we'll talk about how can you add or change your email address on your Clubhouse app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign here, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on your name here. You just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on email here, and you just click on email. It's going to take you to this list, and here add your email address. So when you're done, just click here on verify. Then it's going to send you your account, then you add it, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.